Hello everyone, there's a simple hairstyle tutorial. It's very simple, easy. Get your comb, a tip comb, use it to section your hair into three parts. So you can see what I'm doing. Get your popcorn, sit down and watch. Now we're going to be sectioning this part into three and as well. Apply gel to purify it. Take your time when doing it. You have a little brush, just brush it. Get an elastic band and use it to tie it up. Do the same in the other side. Just take your time when doing it. You can see what I'm doing. Get a blade extension, take a little part of it and crochet it on it. We're going to using a crochet pin. You can see what I'm doing. Now you grab it, then you draw it in and draw it out. Yeah, that's the time to blade it. The next step is to wrap it. Take it, you just wrap it around Just wrap it around. Make sure it's very tight. Take your time to do it. Make sure it's very tight so that you don't end up messing everything up. Just wrap it. Make sure it's very tight. Yeah. Yeah, do the same. Yeah, let's continue on. This is the other step. This step we're going to be applying gel. That's the gel I'm using. Just get the gel, apply it little by little. Then just apply it, take your time and see what I'm doing. You just see that. Get an elastic band and tie it up. I'm trying to make it look beautiful. Just tie it up, make sure it's tight. Take your time when doing it. And this time watch closely what I'm about to do. Section this side into two, this front side into two. Just section it. You can see what I'm doing. Just pat it into two. Yes, grab it, add your gel, apply your gel. Get an elastic band, tie it together with the other one at the back. See what I'm doing. Now you have to use your hand, apply a little gel. Just apply a little gel on it. Get the extension, your blade extension, brush it. Get an elastic band. Use it to secure the extension onto your hair. You can see what I'm doing. I hope you haven't finished your popcorn. We are still on it. Section a little part out of your extension and use it to wrap your hair. Before wrapping, make sure you comb it, like brush it down. Then use it to wrap it. As you are wrapping it, just look at your mirror very well so that you can see it if you are doing it correctly. You can see what I'm doing. Why we are doing that is to beautify it. Yeah, it's just to beautify the damp parts of the hair so that it can come out wala la la. You see what I'm doing? Section the extension into three along with your natural hair. Then you blade it. Just blade it. Now watch what I'm about to do. Wrap the hair around. Just wrap it. Make sure it's very tight. This is the finishing look. Rate it. How did you see it? I hope you like it. Voila. Bye.